The Supreme Court rules 6-3, saying the Trump administration can end legal protections for migrants fleeing violence and natural disasters in Haiti and Syria.
Now, TPS allows people already in the U.S. to stay with work permits in increments of up to 18 months. Lisa Rozner here with the latest. Lisa?
Well, Christine and Jessica, this decision exposes hundreds of thousands more people to deportation, including in our area. We have reaction pouring in from New York's governor to Mayor Mamdani. I also spoke with someone directly impacted.
I used to hear guns all the time from 10 to 12 nonstop. I don't want to go back to that.
This Brooklyn resident from Haiti, whose application for TPS or temporary protected status had been pending, says she has no home to return to.
The gangs took over where I used to live.
I'm thinking about families that might be separated.
Haitian community advocates gathered to speak with us at a church in Brooklyn Thursday after the Supreme Court sided with the Trump administration. The White House argued judges can't second-guess immigration officials' decisions about the protections. Immigration attorneys had argued the countries remain unsafe and the protections were ended unlawfully with racial animus.
We had a president who constantly describing Haiti in the worst possible narratives.
The Department of Homeland Security posted on X, not tired of winning, temporary protected status is meant to be temporary. New York's governor, attorney general, and Mayor Mamdani joined 1199 SEIU United Healthcare Workers and immigration advocates in Midtown Thursday afternoon, calling on Congress to act on bipartisan legislation that would extend TPS.
And we have to stand up and challenge this, fight this, and say, not here, not now, not ever.
That Syria is not safe from violence. Nowhere in Syria is it safe from violence.
No matter what this decision brings in the weeks to come, you are not going to face this alone.
Here in Brooklyn's Little Haiti, business leaders said the economy was already struggling as people were afraid to go outside. Now they say it'll only get worse.
We're still going to remain hopeful that God will touch the heart of the president.
Now, immigration advocates told me it's not clear how soon people would face deportation because the Supreme Court has remanded this back to the lower courts. But these advocates have been preparing their communities with what to do with their children and assets in case this decision had come down. The Queensboro president also encouraging people to contact its Immigrant Welcome Center for any questions. So community really showing up for those who are in this position.
It's a scary time for those families, for sure, Lisa. Thank you.